Hello! I would like to talk a little bit about letters and sounds. I can see that some of our children can already spell out their name. Like, for example, Tamim, Tamim, which is truly amazing, and you have done a great job at home. In school, we're actually following a sound system. It has proved to be very effective and it guides children to read better. So, what is a sound system? So, instead of spelling dog, we sound the word D-O-G. So, not to confuse our children, if your child already knows the letter T, this is how the conversation would go. Hello, Tamim. I can see that you already know the name for the letter. What is it? T. Very good. That is the name of the letter. Do you know what sound the letter makes? It makes the sound T, T, T. Can you say it with me? T, T, T. Great job. All right. Thank you for tuning in. Bye bye.